My name is Claire. I live in Nashville, Tennessee, and I'm a woodworker. I started in woodworking when I could not find a coffee table that I liked. I was looking everywhere and I looked on Pinterest, saw a picture of one that I really liked, clicked on the link, and it led me to a building plan. And so I thought, I could build that. And so I did. Granted, it wasn't the best, but that's kind of how I got into it, and finding something that's affordable when you're in college is not the easiest thing, so why not try doing it yourself? Most of my stuff is promoted through Instagram, and honestly, a lot of it is word of mouth. It's not always an easy thing to be a woman in the woodworking carpentry industry. Sometimes people don't necessarily take me seriously, but at the same time, I think it's really empowering and it's inspirational to a lot of other girls to show them that hey, you can do anything that you want to. Don't ever let anybody tell you that you can't. Woodworking is something that you're gonna always be learning, and I could be doing this for 10 or 20 years, and I could still have so much to learn. A lot of times it's the things that people don't see that are going to make your product different from somebody else's, whether that's staining the underside of the tabletop or using better hardware than maybe something from a big box retailer. If something doesn't go right or something breaks or doesn't work, people are going to find out because word of mouth spreads like wildfire, and it's the best type of marketing that you can ever do for your product. I chose to use Accuride slides because I think that they speak to the overall quality of my work. I have used other brands of slides, and they definitely don't compare to the quality of the Accuride slides that I've used. Nobody wants to have a drawer or a dresser with drawers that are going to be wonky and not work correctly. That would just be super frustrating. And so making sure that the design, not only the design of the piece is great, but also the internal structure is great. I want to make sure that everybody is happy with anything that they get from me and that those products will continue to last. I use the 3832 touch release slides, and it's super simple to install, and it's nice because you can just have the clean modern look on the front of a drawer, and you just touch it and it pops right open, and it's so smooth, and I can tell that it's not going to be wobbly or go back and forth, and it just you can feel the quality in pulling in and out the drawer, and that's why I use Accuride slides.